Welcome to Sigma Surplus. Today, we are going to be showing you how to pack a crate. We have provided graphics on how to load the crate, as well as top items we buy for Sigma Surplus. First, make sure your crate is on a skid for easy transportation. Once your crate is on a skid, we'll begin loading your heaviest and largest items on the bottom. Larger items still in their manufacturer packaging can be added to the bottom as well. If you have totes or boxes, you can load small parts into those as well. Once you have a solid layer of totes on the bottom, use cardboard to separate. Next, we are going to wrap sensitive electronics in bubble wrap. After bubble wrapping, place products with LCD screens face down in the crate. Smaller items should not be left loose in the crate. Instead, they should be added to boxes in the crate. Make sure to leave plenty of room between the product and the top of the crate so that the lid can be secured. It is suggested to shrink wrap the skid to the crate so that it does not shift during transportation. If you have the option to shrink wrap, it is preferred that nylon straps are used on top of the shrink wrap for ultimate security. If you do not have either shrink wrap nor nylon strapping, ratchet straps are preferred to keep the crate secured to the skid. If you have any questions while packing your crate, feel free to contact us at sigmasurplus.com.